India today registered a single-day spike of 64,553 fresh cases and reported 1,007 deaths in the last 24 hours, according to the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. India's coronavirus tally touched 24,61,191 today as the country detected 64,553 more cases in a single day, while the death toll climbed to 48,040. The coronavirus caseload in India now includes 6,61,595 active cases, 17,51,556 discharged and 48,040 deaths, according to media reports. A police party was attacked by unidentified terrorists in the NOWGAM bypass area located near the outskirts of Srinagar city today. 2 police personnel who were injured in the attack died soon after they were taken to the nearby hospital. Another police personnel was also injured in the attack, according to media reports. The entire area has been cordoned off by security forces and search operations are underway to identify the terrorists who attacked the policemen. A key session of the Rajasthan Assembly in which GEHLOT-led Congress government will move a vote of confidence began today. The session comes after a month-long political crisis in the state which started with the rebellion by Sachin Pilot and 18 other Congress MLAs. The Chief Minister chaired a CLP meeting yesterday where the discussion to move the vote of confidence was taken. The CLP meeting was also attended by the 18 MLAs who had revolted along with Pilot, according to media reports. However, the opposition BJP said that the party will move a motion of no confidence against the government. With the disgruntled MLAs led by Pilot back in the party following the intervention of the top leadership, the Congress is likely to pass the floor test. 91 persons, 51 males and 40 females from the general population and 39 personnel from Central Armed Police Force CAPF have tested positive for COVID-19 in Manipur in the last 24 hours. With this, the total case tally in the state has climbed to 4,112. In the last 24 hours, altogether 64 people were discharged from various COVID care centers. The number of active cases in the state now stands at 1,804, while 2,295 have been discharged after recovery. The recovery rate in the state has dropped to 55.81%, according to State COVID-19 Command Control Room. The District Health Society NONE, in collaboration with local voluntary organizations, conducted a mass awareness campaign on COVID-19 and preventive measures today. The awareness campaign was held in all 4 subdivisions of the district: Nungba, Khopum, Hauchong and None. The step was taken up considering the rise in COVID-19 positive cases in the district. Apun Banupiluk Anul Bishnupur District and All Manipur Students Union AMSU Bishnupur District observed the 74th Manipur Independence Day at Konungyumjau Lairembi Laikol today. The program was held by following the COVID-19 SOP guidelines. The 74th NAGA Independence Day was observed today in many NAGA inhabited areas with pride and honor by hoisting the NAGA flag that was granted by Government of India to be used during such occasions. The NAGA Independence Day 2020 was also observed at Laisi town, Eastern Nagaland in Myanmar by Manipuri Naga Youth Federation MNYF under the aegis of Global Naga Youth Federation.